I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you questions from previous test paper. This one is from linear systems, grade 10. Let's look into distance, speed, time question, which we'll discuss in this particular video. I have a copy of this question, and now let's read and try to understand its solution. Ian flew his airplane at best cruise speed for 2 hours, then at economy cruise speed for 3 hours, covering a total distance of 850 kilometers. On the following day, he flew at best cruise speed for 3 hours and economy cruise speed for 2 hours, covering a total distance of 900 kilometers. Find the best cruise speed and the economy cruise speed for Ian's airplane. Now always begin by defining your variables using let statement. So let's use let. Two variables, best cruise speed, let's say B for best cruise speed, right? And let us say economy E for economy. Okay. So we have two variables. To solve a system, we need at least two equations. Let's see how do we get these two equations. So first day, he flew 2 hours at best cruise speed. That means distance covered is how much? Remember your distance speed time relation? That helps. Okay, let me rewrite. So this is distance, speed, and time. And as we know, speed into time is distance, right? So that is what is a relation between speed and time to give you distance. This relation will help us to get the equations. So let's begin. For now, Ian flew his airplane at best cruise speed for 2 hours, then economy speed for 3 hours. So 2 hours with B, 3 hours with E, right? So that means 2B plus 3E to cover a total distance of 850. That is distance D, right? So 850. So you get your equation relating these two variables. Let us call this as equation number 1. Second day, best cruise speed 3, so 3B plus 2 for economy, 2E, distance covered 900. Do you see how simple it is? That is how you can easily get your equations, two equations. Now the method to be used could be elimination or substitution. In this case, it is elimination, since we can multiply the first by 3, the second by 2, and eliminate one of the variables. If you want to substitute, you'll end up in fractions, correct? So that is kind of difficult. Okay, so let's use elimination. So in that case, what are we doing? So this equation, we are multiplying by 3. So we'll do this 3 times. This equation, we'll times it 2 times, okay, to get two new equations. Let's rewrite. So times 3 times 2 is 6. You can use calculator. 6B, 3 times 3 is 9 plus 9E equals to 3 times 850, right? So let's use calculator. 850 into 3, 2550, correct. The second equation, 2 times 6B plus 4E equals to 1800, right? So we get two new equations. Let's call them equation number 3 and 4. Okay. How to eliminate? Simple. We just need to do equation 3, take away equation 4, correct? So then you eliminate, correct? So let's eliminate. B gets eliminated. 9 minus 4 is 5, so get 5E equals to 2550, take away 1800, right? So that is 750. So that is what we did. Equation 3 minus equation 4. It's good to write it on the side so that helps you to review. So E is 750 divided by 5. So divide this by 5 to get the answer, which is 150, right? Once you find the value of E, you can find the value of B, which is the best cruise speed, using one of your equations, right? So let's write down this as equation 5. It's good practice to keep numbering your equations. Doesn't matter if you land up with 10 equations, okay? So we'll do substitute 5 in 1. So we'll do substitute 5 in 1. So circled ones are the equation numbers. So that is 150 for E. So we get 2B plus 3 times 150 equals to 850. So we have 2B plus 3 times, you can again use calculator, 450 equals to 850. So rearrange to write 2B as equals to 850 minus 450, which is 400, right? So we get the value of B also, which is 400. Now you should write down the answer with units. So answer is B. The best cruise speed is, so B is the best cruise speed of 400 kilometers per hour, right? Kilometers per hour, 400 kilometers per hour. And the economy speed E is 150 kilometers per hour, right? So that is how such questions can be solved. I hope that helps. So remember the relation between distance, speed, time. Distance is product of speed and time. Define your variables, write down equations, solve as shown here. Remember to write down answer with units. I'm Anil Kumar and I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.